if you are purchasing a new or old laptop or desktop. Then this video is to help you about the monitor screen's perfection. You can test for dead pixels or any spots in your monitor easily. Firstly, clean your monitor screen or laptop display if it's secondhand. Come to this site. Click on Got It. And it will take you to the colors. Now simple mouse clicks will change the colors of the display. Here you can see the colors and find the dead pixel, hidden spots, dead cell, etc. Keep clicking and see different colors carefully. When you are done, simply exit it. So, this is the way that you can wisely watch if there's any problem in your laptop or desktop display and take necessary decisions. Hope it helped you, and please subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.